Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So, since my last video, a lot has happened, and I'm going to go over everything. I don't have any video, but basically I deposited $500 last week because I blew up my account. The funds, actually the week before I deposited, because it took like 5 or 6 business days for it to settle with options. So then come Monday, I think I made a video on Monday of me doing a covered call on my Robinhood account. Then Tuesday I took my first options trade on PLTR, and I lost $200 of that 500. So I think that I'm done day trading for a while. I ended up withdrawing the rest of the money out of my account, and I'm going to deposit that money into my Robinhood account because I think I'm going to switch over to just doing some swing trades. I've been doing it and it's been working out better for me. It's less stressful. I don't have to be at the computer so much, which is really hard for me to do anyways. So this account's at 0. So for the week, I'm down 353. Let me look at my account performance. Thursday. Yeah, I took a couple other trades that I lost money. So I ended up having actually lost another 100 the day after. So I lost 300. And then the 50s from doing stocks and other stuff. So I withdrew that money, like I said, and I'm going to deposit it in my Robinhood account. So here's what my Robinhood account is looking like right now. Altogether, I'm up $1,000 on this account. Basically see I started at like 3,200 and it's dropped all the way to the lowest point 2,800. I was down 800, but then it's basically climbed back up. I done some trades, I sold some stuff. Now this portfolio is totally different now. I was holding shares of Tapestry, Toll Brothers, and Ford, and I sold all those for profit. Then I was also holding Pfizer calls, which I sold for profit. Let's see if I could bring this stuff up. Let's see here. Account. History. The only thing I made today was I bought NEO puts because NEO had an offering, so I bought a 115 2021 $39 put for $410. So I'm holding that right now. I'm also holding AMD calls, one call for March, and on the daily, that looks good. It's been consistently going up, so I'm going to hang on to that for a while. I'm currently down on it. Let's look at my portfolio. So let's see. So this is this covered call that I'm down $6, but not really because I took a credit on this. So it doesn't matter what this says, as long as NCLH doesn't get above $35 by 115. They're just showing you the -6 is really just how much the contract that you sold, the difference between what it's worth now and how much you sold it for. So I sold it for $69, so right now it's probably worth $74. Yeah, 70. So right now it's 75. Like I said, this Neo put I just bought this morning, and I was up $5 on that. But now I'm just break even. This is for January. I think that, like I said, I think that Neo is going to sell off a lot. So who knows? I'm going to hold this over the weekend. Or let me see what it's at by the end of the day. If it's up a little, I'll sell it. But I think Robinhood is counting day trades, even in a cash account. I had bought this AMD call on December 7th for $3.55. I was up on it for a little bit, but it's just going to move down and up. I'm just going to hang on to it. Right now I'm currently down $54 on it. It's not a big deal. And then like I'm holding shares of NCLH. NIO I'm holding, which I'm currently down on a lot, over $100. This isn't going to go back up to my average. I'm going to probably end up selling these for a loss. But I bought the Neo put to try to make up for my loss on Neo shares. Blank, I'll probably end up hanging on to this. I'm only down $3 on one share. And then I have one share, almost one share of Tesla I'm holding. At $6.29. So I bought that kind of at its highest point. I don't quite own one share. I own $514, so 0.81 of a share. But Tesla's going to continue to rip up. I mean, this thing can move $50 in one day, up or down. So I'm not too worried. Just because it is a share, I'm down $15 on it. And then I made some money over the past week. Let's see. This is going to be kind of confusing though, because I don't know how to get this history to be all in order. Like a PLTR call I sold for $3.50. So now I have to go find this PLTR 30 call for 1.8. It's probably down here somewhere. Nope. Oh, here it is. So I bought this December 10th. So I bought this yesterday for $3.20, and I sold it today for $3.50. So I made $30 on that. Pfizer 45 call for $12.18. Canceled. $1.15. See, where's the Pfizer? Oh, here's one. So these $45 Pfizer calls, I bought 3 contracts December 3rd at $122, so it cost me $366 on December 3rd, and then I sold these for $172. So for $516 minus $366, I sold them December 9th. So I held on to these for 6 days, and 516 minus 366. So I made $150 on that. Plus 30 today, it's 180. I've also lost some money, but not a lot on any contracts. I had 2 SPY calls I was holding, but I sold those for a loss. See, this is too all over. I wish that they had this categorized by option, so I could go over my. If anyone knows how to do this on Robinhood, how you can go over your wins and losses, because I don't know how to do it. Dividends. That's when I was holding Toll Brothers. What is it? That's when I had Robinhood Gold. So I ended up selling this Akito Pharma. I bought 600 shares at $215 on April 14th. I ended up cutting that loss to just free up money. I sold those I sold all 600 at 63 cents. So I took like a $900 loss on that. But I'm still up. Only because of this NCLH. It's really holding my account up. I'm up 1,800 on these shares. And when this I was up over 2,000 for a while. Oh, it doesn't show. So this isn't my. This is just. So it doesn't show at the highest what I was up. But I was up over $2,000 on this. And then once that covered call expires, I'm gonna sell another call. I'm gonna write another call on for this again. And I'm just gonna keep writing calls on it until it eventually gets assigned and I have to sell the shares, or I end up selling the shares on my own. So that's it for this account. Like I said, I'm currently up 1,050, but at the most I was up over 1,300. 4,590 on December 8th. So that was just this week. So I think these Neo puts are going to pay off. Look, already up 13. So I could sell this right now. I just bought these. I could sell these right now, but I think that these are going to pay off because I'm pretty sure Neo's going to drop. But that's it for today. I don't know how the videos are going to start coming out because I'm not day trading options anymore. It's just too much for me, and Weeble's hard with all the pop-ups that come up. You need something like Interactive Brokers or something to scalp options on Weeble, or to scalp options period. I would just go too crazy. I use my whole account. I just don't know how to take it easy. So I think that this is a tamer route for me, just to kind of try swing trading and see how it goes from there. But yeah, that's going to be it. There was one other thing, though. Yeah, so that's going to be it for today. I'll see what there is. I have $17.21 of buying power, which isn't anything. I have to I'm probably going to end up... How'd that get up there? Alright, so I'm down 136 in these Neo shares. I'm probably going to end up closing out this position if this gets to $39. Because Neo's just not looking good. If it goes under $40, I'm going to close out that position. I'll take a $150 loss. Because I'm holding 10 shares of this. But, that's going to be it. Just wanted to give you guys an update of what has been going on this past week and what my future plans are. And we'll go from there. So another thing, I want to try to get into more option spreads. So I'm going to do some research and try some things out here and there. Not use a lot of equity, but just try some things out. I'll probably end up getting rid of... just to free some equity up, I'll probably end up selling this Tesla share soon. Hopefully it does put me in the green. Right now I'm down 18 bucks because this thing just fluctuates so much. But if this puts me in the green, I could sell and I'll have over $500 left in buying power that I can get into another swing or even a leap. I can even do some leaps on some stuff. But I've been just looking at the daily charts and going from there, seeing what I want to do. I'm still using Webull for charts because these charts on Robinhood suck. They don't tell you anything, and they're 5 minute. It's a 5 minute time frame. So that's gonna be it, guys. Hope you guys have a nice weekend, and I'll catch you guys next week.